Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm very happy to see you, Ella. I'm so excited.
Hey, Deacon.
When you have a co-pilot's license, but Human puts you in the back.
Why don't you get in the back, dummy?
Dog will be like, those are not for scrunches. What have you done to your paws, Human? That moment when you high-five yourself a bit too extra. Gosh, why are you following me, dude? No kibbles for you. Special food delivery coming. You can tip him in treats. Signs that your doggo might be a helicopter parent. Number 1. When your mother buys an item you don't like. Believe me, here is the only bear we want to see while camping. Grandpa's not paying for this, but Doggo is still having a blast. The showdown nobody expected, cause Doggo didn't come in peas. The only kind of deep work I always brag to people about. I bet this little guy will never play with the regular sticks again.
Are those your Cheez-Its?
Happy birthday to you.
Hit like to wish these dogs a happy birthday. Do you celebrate your pet's birthday too? Comment below. Look at Papa. No matter how big he gets, he's always gonna be his owner's baby, right? Follow the prescription, girl. Unlimited belly rubs and doggy kisses daily. Looks like someone just wanted to see the outside world. Little me thought these plants could grow in my stomach. When your pup has watched Chicken Run for more than 180 minutes, guess who's invented a new Flora's Lava game?
Nope. Nah. 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 Ah! Hey!
The result of believing that all dogs can be trained. When the attention must be earned, not given. Mom, I'm your best muse. Draw me. In a howl, 100. How's Al? 0. Struggle is real.
I can't take you anywhere.
When you choose happiness, clean becomes a relative term.
Aw, look at that tongue. What are you doing?
Wakey, wakey, mama. The sun is shining, it's time to play. Mama, no snooze button available.
Wait! Hang on! Stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it!
You agree that coming home to this place is the best part of the day?
Is it bedtime? Let's go.
What are you doing? Cup! What is this? No. Nope. Sit down. Sit. Sit and you'll get.
This one called Levi without his best bud. How cute are they? When your dog fetches food instead of sticks, he's gonna be CEO someday.
Where are we?
How siblings walk into my room like they own the place.
Come on. Maya, come here. Come here. Come here.
Look at this mighty guy. It's all about staying cool under pressure.
You want to come out of the car? You want to go inside? You going to talk to me?
When your pup decides to take root and bloom, what a pretty fluffy flower. The vet, part doctor, part snuggle buddy, and all around awesome.
Dakota, what happened? Dakota, come here. Come here. You're gonna hurt yourself. Come over here.
How I want to be treated after my first day at the gym.
Yeah, boy. The tennis ball, please. No, I need you to can't reach it when you're doing that.
Looking at the hard work of these two, we know why their forest is so green, right? Turns out, this is his secret to becoming Hot Boy Summer. Cool up, guys.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls.
What's better than a mud buff, a happy muddy pup?
I want the one who sits on the 50th trunk.
He's so cool that even penguins ask for tips on staying chill.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't bother.
Wow, Starsky.
My dog's philosophy: if sticks were money, I'd be a millionaire by now.
Take a dog whoever brought.
Bad. Bad.
Forget that, man. This pup's cape means serious business. This boy insists everyone's a fetch champion, even silent types. Friends, if your sleepover party is not like this, don't invite me over.
Can I open the door? Jack. Oh my God. Jack, relax, man. Relax.
Me when Bestie said she got some hot tea to share. When it comes to bathing a husky, expect a hurricane, guys. Not every mailman is evil. Some bring happiness in a box, guys. Adult me guarding all my savings after the payday.
Are you mad I made you go to the bed? I'm sorry, you had to. They were nice to you. Did you not like them? They were so nice.
It's 110 degrees.
Crown's lava? Not to this boy. He might call it extreme relaxation therapy.
You wanna come get a treat?
When you see someone so cute in the mirror, and it's you.
Zucchini! Stop it! Duke!
This is how I expect to be treated on my bad days.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Big Dog's Guide to Pet Care Visits. Find a lap and make yourself at home.